Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the hair looks that you can make. This one is best suitable for the short length hair. You just have to take few hair strands from both the ends. After that you just have to make the French tail. It's very simple and easy. You can go for this. Let's now move towards the another hairstyle. It's best suitable for the short length hair. You just have to make some of the divisions using the comb. After that you're tying up these thin plaits together. Let's have a look for this type of the hair look. You just have to make the two divisions with the help of this tool. You just have to give some of the twist and make the braids in a crisscross manner. You are just going to tie them up together. This is very simple and unique. Just give it a try. You can even make use of some fancy hairpins to make it look more good. Let's have a look for this type of the hairdo. It's best suitable for the short length hair. You just have to make the thin braids. After that you are going to place them in the bowie shape. You may require multiple color pins for this hairstyle. Let's move further with another hairdo. First you just have to take some of the hair from the front area and then you are going to make two plaits out of it. After that the leftover hair is again taken. We are going to make two plaits again and just fix them together in a crisscross manner as apparent on your screens. Let's have a look for this pom-pom inspired hairstyle. You may require pom-pom rubber bands for this one after the another. We are taking some hair strands and fixing them together. This is very simple and easy. You just have to make the two parts, and here we are going to make the two ponytails that will give a unique and a beautiful look. Just give it a try. It looks quite good and different. We will now move further towards this hairstyle. Again with the help of the comb we are going to make some of the divisions, and now we are going to build a plait one after the another, taking the hair strands from the scalpy area and you are going to place them one after the another. Again another braid is filled and you are going to make a small tiny bun out of it. Leftover hair is taken for the plait. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. For this one you just have to make a ponytail. After that you are going to build a braid on the same ponytail that you have created. Loosen some of the hair strands. This is simple and very easy also. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.